As you guys can see, I just moved. Ooh, I can move. So yes, guys, today we're gonna be doing Try Not to Laugh, and this video is made by a YouTuber called Weezar. You have to look like this if you want to see his name. So I'll put its link in the description. And we also came to South Africa for the past few videos I've been making apart, but we came here and I might do a hotel room tour if guys would like to. And let's get started, I guess. Okay, I already laughed once. And I forgot to tell an extremely important part. I can maximum laugh 5 times, and if I actually laugh more than 5 times, I lose. So I already laughed 1 time, so 4. Okay.
Bring you on into the temps, and we're all doing okay. Wow, 750 degrees in Gila Bend right now. And 1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now, I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Okay.
Cave Creek is really
Yeah, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
The entire time I knew him, he
I
only
did
ever
not
heard
laugh. I
one
just.
call
Is this another?
to wipe out half the universe. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Christopher Robin.
Crunches, when it crunches, that's what I
just did that.
best when it crunch.
Did you bring a loaf of Clausen's bread? No! Why don't you drop down to the grocery store for some? Clausen's bread is like music to my ears. What are the symbols for? This is a very symbolic commercial. What you eating? A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite? Sure.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
I've seen this video
Are we there
because
yet?
of my baby brother.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game.
Another highway is going to be really useful.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet.
Okay, get 1 life off. I think I had like 3. Great. I think I'm gonna lose. Great.
Wait, you're not done filming it?
Oh!
It's got to be the best fire I've ever seen. So
Oh.
What are you going to do with that dick?
there's lots of things you can do with this stick, you know?
No. Okay. This isn't funny. Okay, I laughed 2 times, okay? Right. I'm seriously gonna lose. That's not funny. Oh
Thinking you look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
And let me see what you have.
Oh my god. Let's just replay that. Okay, I have 1 life. I took 1 life off.
Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
And let me see what you have.
Okay, I did not laugh. I just said, ooh, like that, okay. Oh,
Not gonna give up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I.
Duke, do you want the ball?
oh my
Watermelon.
John Cena!
Oh my god, his nose! His nose! Okay, I guess that's it for the video, guys. And again, the YouTuber who made this video, his video and his videos, his video is below in the description, and if you want to go to the description, just press that, like that, okay? So, yeah. Bye!